When you're solving a mathematical problem, there's something called the order of operations. And the order of operations is what you're supposed to solve first. You have to follow this order. There are certain operations that you have to do first for you to be able to get the correct answer. The first thing following the order of operations that you have to do in solving a problem is do what's inside the parentheses first, or get rid of the parentheses. Then after you do what's inside the parentheses first and you remove the parentheses, you do multiplication or division. You can do multiplication or division, and then after you do multiplication or division, you do your addition and subtraction. So first you do parentheses, then you do multiplication, then you do division, then you do addition, then you do subtraction. Well, the multiplication and division can be done in any either or. You can do the division first, then multiplication, or the multiplication first, then division. It doesn't matter. So now that we know that, let's solve these problems. We have to do what's inside the parentheses first. So let's do 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4 times 4 plus 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Now that we've done what's inside the parentheses, we're going to do multiplication. What's 4 times 4? 16. Plus 2 times 3, which is 6. Now that we've done 16 plus, now that we've done multiplication, now we're going to do addition. 16 plus 6 is 22. And that's our answer. One way that you might be able to remember the order of operations is by remembering the first letters, and it's PMDAS. PMDAS. PIMDAS. PMDAS. PIMDAS. And that might help you remember parentheses first, then multiplication, then division, then addition, and then subtraction. The addition and subtraction can be done in any order too, just like multiplication and division. Okay, let's try this problem. We have to do what's inside the parentheses first, PIMDAS, remember that, PMDAS. So we're going to rewrite the 8 plus 5, parentheses, 4 plus 4 is 8. Close the parentheses, minus 6. Then after parentheses and is multiplication, so we're going to do 8 plus 5 times 8. Remember, parentheses means you multiply. So whenever you have a number next to a parentheses, that means you're going to multiply that number with everything inside the parentheses. So let's do 5 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40. Minus 6. Now we're going to do addition and subtraction. It doesn't matter if we subtract the 6 from the 40 first, or if we add the 8 to the 40 first, you'll still get the same answer. Well, let's add the 8 to the 40 first. That'll give us 48 minus 6. And now we can subtract the 6 from the 48, and that'll give us 42. And our answer will be 42. Let's do what's inside the parentheses first. 3 plus 2 is 5. And there's nothing to multiply the 5 with, so we can just remove the parentheses and write 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 equals 14. That's our answer. Now we're going to do, again, what's inside the parentheses first. So we have 25 plus 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Since there's nothing to multiply the 3 by, we're just going to remove the parentheses. That's going to give us 28. Okay, remember, PMDAS or PIMDAS, parentheses first. So we have 7 plus 2, and then we're going to do the parentheses first. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So now we're going to do multiplication. 7 plus 2 times 4, so that's 7 plus 4, and 7 plus 4 is 11. We do our last step, addition or subtraction.